Is it time to buy or sell BitOrigin stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BitOrigin. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th day of July in the year 2025, our system has designated BitOrigin as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.13. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 230.85% since we first identified BitOrigin as a buy candidate just 10 days ago. This equates to an average return of 23.09% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 0.784 will initially suggest a stronger rate of increase. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 40.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 59.94% to positive 53.81%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 72.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and negative 66.17% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between 0 and 0.242. Our latest daily update for BitOrigin presents the headline, High Volatility in BitOrigin Limited Stock Price on Monday, which concluded trading at 0.716. On the last trading day, the BitOrigin Limited stock price experienced a decline of 8.17%, falling from 0.780 to 0.716. During the day, the stock exhibited significant fluctuations, ranging 31.04% from a low of 0.706 to a high of 0.93. Although the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up 179.8% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 273 million shares, with a total of 83 million shares exchanged for approximately $59.48 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $3.09 and a low of $0.118. Currently, the price stands 76.82% or $2.37 below the 52-week high and 95.32% or $14.58 below the all-time high on July 18, 2022, when it reached $15.30. BitOrigin Limited, trading under the ticker BTOG, has made notable strides recently, which may have significant implications for its stock performance. On July 21, 2025, the company announced the purchase of approximately 40.5 million Dogecoin as part of its digital asset treasury strategy. This follows the recent securing of $500 million in equity and debt facilities aimed at bolstering its Dogecoin treasury, illustrating a proactive step in diversifying its asset base beyond traditional mining operations. The acquisition of a substantial Dogecoin reserve reflects confidence in the longevity and utility of cryptocurrencies, potentially appealing to both retail and institutional investors looking for exposure to digital currencies. The immediate impact on stock price may be positive, as investor sentiment could be bolstered by this strategic move, particularly with Dogecoin's market reputation. Earlier this month, BitOrigin regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum equity standards, alleviating previous concerns over its listing status and further stabilizing investor confidence. In the longer term, as the company continues its expansion and diversification strategies, including partnerships in AI and GPU computing. It may position itself favorably within the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. This multifaceted approach could lead to sustained interest from investors and a potential upward trend in stock price as the market responds to its growth initiatives and strategic acquisitions. Analysts have assigned BitOrigin stock an overall sell rating. The stock has received a strong sell rating for its price-to-earnings ratio, as well as for its price-to-book value. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BitOrigin. The BitOrigin Limited stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal suggested by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels are noted at 0.514 and 0.241. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or NACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18, 2025. And since then, the stock has decreased by 8.17%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically mirrors price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BitOrigin. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 631 thousandths of a dollar. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased as a drop below this support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable fluctuations during the day, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 219 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or approximately 31%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 38%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for BitOrigin, let us first examine some essential fundamental data. To begin, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. When a company has a negative PE ratio, it indicates that the firm is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, a consistently negative PE ratio may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BitOrigin. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BitOrigin is at 0.780. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BitOrigin encounters its first support level at 0.631. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.677, which reflects a decrease of 5.46%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top observed just 1 day ago. Is BitOrigin stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for BitOrigin Limited stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we expect BitOrigin to open higher by approximately 6.61 cents and start trading at around 78.2 cents. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.